Hello, I'm Véronique Muret.
I'm Thomas.
We are a brother and sister and vine grower in Alsace in our family since 12th generation. The vineyard is in Rouffach, it's in the south part of Alsace, and the best part of our estate is the Clos Saint-Landelin vineyard. This is a monopole from our family. I will try to show you a picture. Yes, so you can see the Clos Saint-Landelin here is this monopole. It's a south-facing vineyard, very steep. And today you're tasting the Pinot Gris 2011 Clos Saint-Landelin.
That's it. That's the one.
So first I would like to present you the vineyard, the terroir. And after Thomas will explain you the link between the limestone and the wine.
I'll try to.
So first, the Clos Saint-Landelin vineyard, it's a monopole. It's very steep, so the vineyard is on terraces. And it's the south part of the Grand Cru Forbourg. So it means that this terroir is recognized as Grand Cru. And it's clay and limestone soil. We have on the surface limestone, so conglomerates from the Oligocene era, so this is the Tertiary era, and underneath it's a limestone from the Jurassic period, from the Bajocien, more precisely.
Okay, time to taste the wine now. So, I'll give you a glass, Véronique.
Thank you.
Do you want to show the soil?
Yes. So, again, I don't know if you can see it well, but this is the soil from the Clos Saint-Landelin vineyard. You can see the limestone, this is the calcareous stones from Oligocene, and here the clay. It's quite red clay because it's rich in iron.
So the wine we're going to taste is a 2011 vintage, and it was maybe about a bit hotter than usual. It's a nose with a lot of fruits, white fruits, very ripe. Peaches, white pears. The wine in the beginning of the mouth is a bit fat. We can tell it's south of Alsace. The Clos Saint-Landelin is facing south, and there is a lot of clay also that gives this good body. There is some sweetness, a bit of honey aromas. This wine could be too fat, too rich, but in fact it's a wine very alive. There is a fine acidity for a very ripe Pinot Gris. You can smell the salinity that dry your mouth a bit, and even a kind of tannins. So the acidity and the salinity really come from the limestone and give the life and the balance to the wine. The reddish tannins give a kind of tannins that also give balance. It's a wine you want to eat something with, cheese or Alsatian pie, citrus fruits dessert. It's a wine that is vibrant and alive. Cheers! Thank you!